Okay. So in real numbers, class 9, chapter 1, we discussed yesterday already. So today we will see the exercise number 1, that is 1.1, in which the first bit is write any three rational numbers and explain the rational numbers in our words. See here. Write any three rational numbers. Okay, I will write the three rational numbers. 8 by 3, 1 by 2, and 4 by 5. Okay, whatever it may be. These are my three rational numbers. And then explain the rational number in words. Explain the rational number in words. I already told you. Q is nothing but what? Rational number. Q denoted with rational number.
P by Q.
Rational numbers are in the form of
P by
P by Q, where
Q is not equal to 0.
where P comma Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. I already explained last class. Now, okay. So coming to the next problem. Find the rational numbers lies between 1 and 2. Find 5 rational numbers. Find how many rational numbers?
5.
5 rational numbers between now.
1 and 2.
Okay. This is the third question in exercise 1.1. Find 5 rational numbers lies between 1 and 2. Keep in mind the number of required rational
Number.
numbers is 5. Keep in mind
5 plus 1.
5 plus 1, that is equals to 6. 6 keep in mind. And coming to 1 and 1 and 1 multiplied with 6 and divided with 6. This is nothing but 6 by 6. 6 1 is 6 by 6 is nothing but 1 keep in mind. Now coming to 2. Multiplied with 6 and divided with 6. 6 2s are 12 by 6. 6 how many times in 12? 2 times. That is nothing but 2. Am I clear or not? This is equal to 2. I would like to find how many rational numbers lies between 1 and 2?
5.
5. That's the reason, keep in mind, if it is given 5 here, 5 plus 1. If it is given 6 rational number, 6 plus 1. That should be multiplied and divided with 2, given 2 numbers. Here rational numbers is 5, that's the reason I taken only 5. And by adding 1 we get 6. Now come with 6 by 6. After that 7 by 6. After that 8 by 6. After that 9 by 6. After that
10 by 6.
10 by 6. After that 11 by 6. After that 12 by 6 is nothing but 2. I told you clearly, that is nothing but 2. Here 6 by 6 is nothing but 1. How many rational numbers lies between?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly 5 rational numbers lies between 1 and
2.
you should write 6 by 7, 8 by 7, 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 12 by 6. All the 5 rational numbers lies between 1. Now coming to the next problem. Insert 3 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Here so easy to find the rational numbers between 1 and 2. Whereas here, whereas 3 by 5 and 2 by 3 is it a little difficult. That's the reason. First I would like to take 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. These are my two rational numbers. I would like to find 3 rational numbers lies between these two. 3 rational numbers. First I would like to take LCM of the denominators of these two fractions. 5 and 3. LCM of 5 comma 3 is 50. Everyone knows. This is how many times we go? 5 3 times. 3 into 3 by 5 into 3. 5 how many times will go? 3 times. The 3 is multiplied and divided with this one. And then 3 how many times?
5 times.
This 3. 5
Five.
times. 2 into 5 by
3 into
3 into 5. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. Okay na?
10 by 50.
10 by 50. Now denominators are same. Now I will find 3 rational numbers between these two. First, you will equate the denominators of the given rational numbers. First, make it denominators are same. Then you will proceed what I said just before. See how many rational numbers lies between these two? 3.
Three.
We need to insert 3 rational numbers.
Plus 1.
So require a rational number equals to 3.
3.
3 plus 1, 4. 4 should be multiplied and divided with this one. 9 into 4, 15 into and 10 into 4 by 15 into 9 4 jar 36. 15 4 jar 60. 10 4 jar 40. Divided by
60.
by 60. Now write it down. 37 by
60.
60.
38.
38 by
60.
next
39 by 60.
39 by
60.
60. 40 by 60 is nothing but 2 by 3 only. 36 by 60 is nothing but
3 by 5.
3 by 5. Here 2 by
2 by
3. So these are my 3 rational numbers lies between 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Clear?